Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Okay, we got a 2019 Silverado. This is the new, this is the work truck edition. Comes with the basic rims, but it's not bad. It's got reverse camera. The interior looks very nice. Anyway, we went ahead and gave him the Clifford 3105. Hit arm, it locks your doors. Hit this arm, unlocks your doors. Okay. Gave him the panic button. If he holds this button down here for 3 seconds, fires the panic. It's got the blue light that's going to flash on the top of the glass. At nighttime, it flashes the truck real nice and blue. If anybody tries to bust out the window, I'm going to go ahead and disable the alarm. 1 chirp is on, 2 chirps is off, but if it gives you 4, that means that the alarm went off while you're away from the vehicle. Because if this alarm triggers, it'll ring for 2.5 minutes and it'll reset. And if you come back to the car and you turn off the alarm and it gives you the 4 chirps, you know that the alarm fired off while you're away from the vehicle. The minute you start the vehicle, it will clear the memory back to 2 chirps. So now when you arm the alarm, 1 chirp is on, 2 is off. It will erase from 4 and then go back to 2. It comes with 2 remote control. It's got a panic button like I was telling you. You know, even though this is the base model, it came with the power lock, so he didn't have the keyless entry from factory. But that's okay, because now he'll have both. He'll have an alarm system and he'll have keyless entry. It's got the antenna right here on the top. That gives you the range that you can arm and disarm the remote control from far away. It gives you a length of a football field, and it's got the LED light incorporated there. This alarm was installed here in this 2019 Chevy Silverado by Auto Alarm Specialist. The numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.